Hi guys, RC Racer here. Today we've got the unboxing video of the Huina 1573 dump truck. So let's get it out of the box. As you can see here, it's a 1/14 scale truck. Just take it out. So this is to go with the excavator I bought the other day. So we could run the two in parallel. Obviously, the excavator digging all the dirt and then dumping it into the back of the truck for the truck to then take the dirt off and drive off into the sunset. So this video I've done flip around the other way. Because I just found it's probably better you want to see the truck rather than see me just babbling on about it. So let's get it out of the box. This up really, it's too much tape and stickiness. Okay, so in the box there's the manual, which is like 4 pages long. But who reads the manual? Okay. Polystyrene. Okay, so first view of the truck. Let's just put some lighting on. It made no difference. Here's the truck itself. Now I thought it was more yellow in the pictures. So if you see the box, let's just pan this up. It looks more yellow, and in reality it looks more gold. As you can see that, it's more of a sort of a dull, dark yellow slash gold. There we go, so there's the truck, the transmitter, the charger, and lots of squeaky polystyrene, and the battery. Okay guys, so right, here's the truck, close up. So the battery goes in the bottom. If you turn it upside down here, you'll see the battery pack just fits in here. On-off switch here. The steering here has like a little old school see if I can show you. Slider for the tracking, left to right to adjust the steering at the front, which is pretty retro but cool. So then the battery compartment just screws back in. Turning the truck upside down. Let's pop that back in like so. And then there's a little screw on the battery plastic cover tab that goes on. And a little lock mechanism that just slides across to locked. Turn the truck back round like so. The transmitter here, very plasticky. Flipping it round, you've got batteries, 4 AA batteries go in the bottom here. 2.4 GHz receiver. Not sure, I had to make it that obvious and put it as black. Would have made sense to be colour match the rest of it. Yeah, quite stiff. Not the most comfortable things like these, as you can see here. Just jagged kind of plastic, so it's kind of, yeah, it's grippy, but it's cheap. It's not comfortable. Not the most expensive thing in the world, but it'll do a job. Let's turn it on. So here we go, we're going for a quick spin around the Huina dump truck, the 1573 model. So let's see here. Put some bits in the back again, just filling it full of conkers this time of year, and then we can empty all the stuff out. Now at the front, got like, you can turn the lights on and off, noise on and off on the controller, so there's some buttons here, so for up and down for the back, lights and sound, so then you see like, okay, so this is the truck itself, now reversing. Obviously flashing lights as well. We're going to reverse and we're going to drop off the load. So that's it for the run. So basically that's the Huina 1573 dumper truck. It's a pretty cool truck. It's all plastic. A few obviously little tiny metal parts on it. I think there is a die-cast version of it as well. This version obviously has the back that comes up and dumps the load through the back. The front of the vehicle has audio and flashing lights, and it obviously beeps when it reverses. Can take quite a lot of stuff in the back. I'll get a video of it doing like topsoil and stuff, but that's pretty much it for the unboxing video and just like a little test drive spin around. Cool little truck. It'll go well with the excavator. I can fill it up with topsoil in the back and then drive it off. Yeah, pretty neat. So I'm building a new sandbox out in the shed for winter. When that's in place, I have the excavator and the dump truck both working together. So yeah, watch this space. That's it for the unboxing, and yeah, it's technically called a hopper truck, as you can see here, but I don't know, dump truck, that's what I've been calling it. RC Racer out. Take care guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, found it useful. See ya.